Hi folks, today we've got this shell from Cork brand called Crimson Grand Mini. This also comes in a bigger version that's called just Crimson Grand. Based on the display here, I think we're gonna get two hemispheres, one red and one white. If this effect actually works, it'll be really cool to watch. So let's unbox this, light this, and then see how it goes. Here's Crimson Grand Mini. It says white and red glitters. This was packed in July 2025, which means that it's 4 months old. The MRP of this is $695. I got this for $350. This says breaks into a spherical of red and white glitters. The chemical composition is given, but the formulas are incomplete. They've just put nitrates and not the element before it. Here it says tube height 38 centimeters, tube diameter 6 centimeters. I like the way the box is folded. And there we have it. We have a pretty impressive packaging, I gotta say. Let's measure the shell. This is around 2.75 inches from the outside, and from the inside it must be around 2.5. I like how they've got the seal of Cork brand in gold foil. That's pretty cool and premium looking. This shell from Cork brand was really amazing. These guys really know how to play with the position of the stars in the shell. We got two concentric circles or discs. One was the white circle outside and one was the red circle inside. Top tier shell.